Hello everyone. I am Kajal Patel, work as an assistant dietitian in UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology and Research Center. Today my topic is diet in disease of liver. In this, which topic we discuss here given below. What is the liver? What does it do? How a liver become fatty? Liver stones? How the body is affected? How alcohol affect the body and lifestyle. First one is introduction of liver. What is the simple definition of liver? A large organ located in the upper abdomen, the liver cleans the blood and aids in digestion by secreting bile. The liver is a vital organ in the human body, playing a crucial role in the metabolism, detoxification, and nutrient storage. It is the largest gland and performs a wide array of functions, including producing bile, processing nutrients, and eliminating waste products. The liver also synthesizes essential proteins and enzymes and help regulate blood sugar level. Functions of the liver. There are mainly 6 functions of liver: metabolic, storage, excretory and secretory functions. Fourth one is protective function, circulatory, and last one is coagulation function. First one is strengthen the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and protein. Liver also helps in detoxification. Liver is used for production of bile, which help in fat digestion. Liver also storage function. Fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, D, E, K, and also minerals like copper and iron help in production and regulation of hormones. Liver is also used for many hormones, help in blood clotting. जब हम गिर जाते हैं, जब ब्लड क्लॉट हो जाता है कि हमारी बॉडी से ज़्यादा ब्लड्स बाहर नहीं निकलता, उस टाइम जो क्लोटिंग हो जाता है उसमें जो फाइब्रिनोजन नाम का जो सब्सटेंस होता है उसके वो प्रोटीन्स की मैन्युफैक्चर के लिए वो प्रोटीन्स है उसको बनाने के लिए भी लीवर्स में वो बनता है और प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस न्यूट्रिएंट्स. Nutrient metabolism. The liver plays a central role in metabolizing carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. It converts excess glucose into glycogen for storage, releasing it back into the bloodstream when needed. It processes amino acids, removing ammonia, a toxic byproduct of protein metabolism, by converting into urea for excretion. It also metabolizes fats and regulates cholesterol levels, producing bile, which is essential for fat digestion. Second one, bile production. The liver produces bile, a digestive fluid that aids in the breakdown and absorption of fats in the small intestine. Bile also helps in eliminate waste products from the body. Detoxification. The liver filters blood, removing toxic like drugs, alcohol, and other waste products. It converts these toxins into less harmful substances or forms that can be excreted from the body through stools and urine. It also clears the blood of bilirubin, a byproduct of red blood cells breakdown. Fourth one, the liver stores vitamins and minerals like iron and copper. It plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels. It helps the body resist infection by producing immunofactors and clearing bacteria from the bloodstream. It regulates itself, making it a unique organ in its ability to repair damaged tissue. फर्स्ट वन इज मेटाबॉलिक फंक्शन. तो कार्बोहाइड्रेट फंक्शन मेटाबॉलिज्म में क्या होता है? तो इन कार्बोहाइड्रेट मेटाबॉलिज्म में लीवर ग्लूकोनियोजिनेसिस एंड ग्लाइकोजिनोलाइसिस एंड ग्लाइकोजिनेसिस ये 3 प्रोसेस अंदर होती है. तो इन ग्लूकोनियोजिनेसिस द सिंथेसाइज ऑफ ग्लूकोज फ्रॉम सर्टेन एमिनो एसिड, लैक्टेट और ग्लिसरॉल, and in glucogenolysis and glycogenesis, breakdown of glycogen to glucose and formation of glycogen from glucose. Hormone metabolism, synthesis of fatty acid, lipoproteins and cholesterol. Ketogenesis means breakdown of ketones to fat. Protein metabolism, synthesis of plasma proteins, albumin, globulin and fibrinogen. Urea synthesis, जो हमारी बॉडी की जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स होती है एज ए यूरिया एंड यूरिक एसिड थ्रू लीवर बॉडी में से एक्सक्रीट आउट करता है थ्रू स्टूल्स, फेसिस एंड यूरिन. एंड रेड ब्लड सेल्स प्रोडक्शन ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी इन द फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर ऑफ द फीटस, जो उसके बॉडी में रेड ब्लड सेल्स लीवर में ही बनते हैं. What is the liver's key functions in the body? The liver filters the blood, removing toxins and waste that eventually leave the body through urine and feces. Process glucose. The liver removes excess glucose like sugar from the bloodstream and store it as a glycogen. What are the common diseases of the liver? There are many kinds of the liver disease. Disease caused by virus such as hepatitis A, B and C. Disease caused by drugs, poisons or too much alcohol. Example include fatty liver disease and cirrhosis, and last one liver cancer. And also non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. In fatty liver disease, the accumulation of liver fat in people who drink little or no alcohol. The causes of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Most people have no symptoms. In rare cases, people may experience fatigue, pain or weight loss. Over time, inflammation and scarring of the liver can occur. In hepatitis C, an infection caused by a virus that attacks the liver and leads to inflammation. And in hepatitis B, a serious liver infection caused by the hepatitis B virus that's easily preventable by a vaccine. Grade 3 fatty liver disease. This is a more severe form of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It associated with a large accumulation of fat in the liver. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease occurs when excessive fat build up in the liver. It may not cause any symptoms. And last stage is stage 4 is cirrhosis of the liver. In cirrhosis of liver, with each stage becoming more and more severe and causing more problems for the patient. In stage 4, the liver cells are fully damaged and the disease has reached its final stage. At this point, the liver no longer works properly. The progression of liver disease. This figure shows the total 4 stages of the liver damage. In first stage, we can see healthy liver, second one fatty liver disease, third one steatohepatitis, and fourth one cirrhosis of liver. It is the last stage, the liver cancer. First stage, we can see healthy liver cells. In stage 1 or stage 0, the healthy liver tissue without signs of fibrosis or inflammation. And in stage 1, fatty liver disease, something fat cells, adipose accumulation of fats and something fat cells accumulated in the liver, and the inflammation in parts of the tissue but no scar tissue. In stage 2, the fibrosis was started to form scar tissue. In stage 3, the fibrosis was started to form scar tissue. There is a progression of scar tissue and widespread fibrosis. Last stage in cirrhosis, the totally scar tissue, advanced liver disease called cirrhosis, severe scarring of the liver. ये जो टोटल 4 स्टेजेस है, इसमें से फर्स्ट स्टेज, सेकंड स्टेज है जो फैटी लिवर डिसीज से, और थर्ड स्टेज जो स्टीटोहेपेटाइटिस, उसमें से वो दोनों स्टेज रिवर्सिबल स्टेज है कि फैट सेल्स में से अगर हम हेल्दी डाइट लेंगे, एक्सरसाइज करेंगे तो वो नॉर्मल हेल्दी लिवर हो सकता है. अगर थर्ड स्टेज भी इन्फ्लेमेशन बढ़ गया है तो वो भी डाइट से कंट्रोल होकर इन्फ्लेमेशन नील हो सकता है, फैट सेल्स भी रिड्यूस हो सकता है और हेल्दी लीवर बन सकता है. बट अगर लास्ट स्टेज में पहुंच गया पेशेंट, सिरोसिस ऑफ लिवर, सिरोसिस आ गया, तो वो रिवर्सिबल नहीं हो सकता, वो लास्ट स्टेज है, तो वो पूरा टोटली लिवर डैमेज हो जाता है. फैटी लिवर डिसीज डाइट. Which foods to avoid it and which food included in diet for fatty liver patients? We included in our diet whole grains roti, non-starchy vegetables and low sugary fruits, unsaturated fats like almond oils, badam oils, or olive oils, we can use it. Low calorie drinks means skim milk drink or green tea, we use it. And lean proteins. And which foods we avoided? रिफाइंड शुगर्स, रिफाइंड ग्रेन्स लाइक ब्रेड, मैदा की आइटम जैसे पाव, वड़ा पाव या ब्रेड की आइटम है, और स्टार्ची वेजिटेबल्स एंड सुगरी nuts, sugary fruits we avoided, and also we don't take alcohol. And last one, saturated and trans fats like dalda ghee, vegetable ghee, mayonnaise, margarine, all are trans fats we avoided. In these slides, we can see there are two sections, a red zone and green zone. Protective and risk factor influences the development and prevention of chronic liver disease. Green zone is a totally protective for healthy liver, and red zone is a harmful. This is a bad habit. This is a bad for healthy liver. In what we should do for healthy liver, we can take herbs, more and more herbs, dietary fibers, and omega-3 fatty acids, foods like alsi, and diverse diet, physical activity, and also take probiotics. So your lipid profiles improvements due to this, regeneration of liver cells, and also maintenance of healthy liver. And if you go in red zone, like your lifestyle is sedentary lifestyle है, obesity, saturated fat intake ज़्यादा है, smoking, and also you take alcohol, then there is a chances of liver damage. Next one is, what is a jaundice? Next disease is jaundice. Jaundice is a common condition characterized by the yellowish of the skin, yellowish of the eyes, and mucous membranes due to buildup of bilirubin in the body. There are mainly three types of jaundice: obstructive jaundice, hemolytic jaundice, and toxic jaundice. First one is obstructive jaundice. The most common type caused by obstruction in the bile duct, often due to gallstones leading to bile mixing with blood. This is most common jaundice seen in the people. This is most occur in the people. In this jaundice, due to some reason की वजह से अगर हमारा गॉल ब्लेडर बिगड़ गया है या गॉल स्टोन हो गया है, तो जो बाइल जूस होता है वो गॉल ब्लेडर में नहीं आता है, तो वो बाइल जूस इट इज़ नॉट यूटिलाइज फॉर फैट डाइजेशन, सो वो बाइल ऐसे ही ब्लड में मिक्स हो जाता है. उसी की वजह से हमारी आईज, नेल्स, स्किन्स येलोइश दिखते हैं और वो ऑब्स्ट्रक्टिव जॉइंडिस होता है. Hemolytic jaundice. Hemolytic jaundice occurs when red blood cells are destroyed prematurely, leading to increased bilirubin production, often associated with hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic jaundice mostly occur in hemolytic anemia patient. This is also seen in newborn baby, because in newborn sometimes in patient newborn baby में कई बार रेड ब्लड सेल्स प्रीमेच्योर होते हैं या उसके हीमोग्लोबिन के रेड ब्लड सेल्स के पूरी परफेक्ट साइज नहीं होती है, अच्छे से उसका शेप्स नहीं होता है, तो और उसका लाइव लॉन्ग नहीं होता है, तो उसकी वजह से ये जॉइंडिस होता है, तो वो हीमोलाइटिक जॉइंडिस उसे बोलते हैं. थर्ड वन इज टॉक्सिक जॉइंडिस. इन टॉक्सिक जॉइंडिस कॉज्ड बाय पॉइजनस सब्सटेंस like drugs or virus that damage liver cells. Sometimes excessive use of drugs or excessive use of medicines, उसकी side effect की वजह से toxic jaundice होता है. What symptoms are associated with jaundice? Abdominal pain mainly occurs in the right side abdomen, yellowish of eyes, nails and skins, loss of appetite, weakness, fatigue, and last one, fever. These are symptoms of jaundice. Importance of diet in jaundice. Protein. How much protein, fats, calories, and carbohydrate objects we should take in jaundice. It is described below. First one is protein. Do not give protein in severe jaundice, but 30 to 40 grams can be given when the condition improves, and then 60 grams of protein. Fat. Avoid fat diet in severe jaundice. 20 to 25 grams can be given after the situation is improved. Calorie. Giving an unconscious patient into 1000 calorie from fluid and 1500 to 2000 calorie can be given when the situation improves. Carbohydrate objects. Giving by an unconscious glucose through vein, then fruit juices, glucose, honey, sugarcane juice, etc. can be given. The need for calories to a jaundice patient is mostly provided by carbohydrates. Vitamin C. A jaundice patient has more vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C and B group vitamins should be given more. Orange juice should be provided with fruits, and adding glucose to the fruit juice also provides calorie with vitamins. Minerals. A jaundice patient has sodium and potassium deficiency. Salt added fruit juices can be served for sodium supplements, and potassium can also be found from fruit juices. This is why fruit juice should be taken in excess. Glucose saline. If the patient has frequent vomiting or dizziness, 10% glucose can be provided by the vein. The patient has to give 2000 to 2500 milli daily. Glucose saline should be served allowing 800 to 1000 calories. Last one is liquid diet. Sometimes the patient is also given a fluid diet through the tube through the nose. This is a jaundice diet chart. Foods to be included and which foods to avoided. Foods to included: coconut water, fruit juices, carrots, whole grains, roti, beetroots, plenty of water, green leafy vegetables like spinach, lean proteins, and coffee and tea without milk, or black tea or black coffee, or sometimes we can give skim milk tea and skim milk coffee. And which foods to be avoided in jaundice? Fried snacks, sweets, white bread items, full fat dairy products, caffeinated drinks, alcohol beverages, junk foods like pasta, dabeli, vada pav, burger, pizza, cakes and pastries also avoided. And last one, spices and oily foods should be avoided. One day dietary for a person suffering from jaundice. This is a diet chart. In this diet chart, in this menu, within a time, how much proportion of food we can give to the patient of jaundice. It can see at early morning 6 a.m. 1 glass of orange juices, add glucose and salt we can provide. Then after in breakfast time 8:30 a.m. 1 plate means 100 gram cut fruit papaya, ripe papaya fruit dish I can give. Then in lunch time 11:30 a.m. 1 bowl soft rice, 1 bowl moong thin dal, and also 1 roti but without ghee, dry roti, and 1 bowl bottle gourd sabji within a less oil. And after that, lunch after 2 p.m. we can give 1 glass sugarcane juice. And at next time 4 p.m. 1 glass lemon water, within add glucose and salt. And 8:30 p.m. at dinner time you can take 1 bowl plain khichdi, 1 bowl potato tomato sabji, and 1 skim milk buttermilk, and also only 1 roti in less oil or dry. Third one is hepatic cirrhosis. It is also called liver cirrhosis. Cirrhosis of the liver is a serious condition where healthy liver tissue is replaced by scar tissue, leading to impaired liver function. This damage can result from various factors, including excessive alcohol consumption, hepatic infections, and fat accumulation due to conditions like obesity and diabetes. Excessive consumption of certain foods, including those with inhibitory substance like soybean, raw peanuts, and lentils, can potentially damage liver cells and lead to liver cirrhosis. These are symptoms of liver cirrhosis. वेट लॉस होता है, नोसिया एंड वॉमिटिंग, अनरीजनेबल ब्रशेस और स्कैर्स ऑन द स्किन्स, कॉन्स्टिपेशन और डायरिया, पेन इन द राइट hypochondrium, nasal bleeding and also gum bleeding, loss of appetite, dark urine, and yellowing of the skins and yellowing of the eyes and yellowing of the lips also seen in liver cirrhosis. Nutrient requirements in cirrhosis of liver. Calorie. How much calorie, proteins and fats we can take in liver cirrhosis. First one is calorie. Yes, a high calorie diet is generally recommended for patients with liver cirrhosis who are experiencing malnourished and weight loss, maximizing nutrients intake within a 2000 calorie limit. Second, protein. A high protein diet is crucial, with animal derived protein like milk or eggs being suitable option. However, when a patient is in serious condition or coma, protein intake should be avoided due to the liver's compromising ability to process it. And third one is fat. High fat diet should be avoided, but small amount of digestible fat can be included. Saturated fats should be limited. In case of a 50 kg patient, a maximum of 25 grams of fat means half, 0.5 grams per kg can be given to the cirrhosis of liver patient. Fourth one is carbohydrates. Adequate amount of carbohydrate intake is crucial for storing glycogen in the liver, which is essential for the liver's proper functioning and liver cell development, which the body needs a range of macronutrients. A significant portion of daily calories, about 45% to 65%, should come from carbohydrates to ensure sufficient glycogen storage. And vitamins. A patient with cirrhosis should ensure adequate intake of vitamins, including vitamin A, D, E, K, and also water soluble vitamins B complex and C. If diet is insufficient, a multivitamins tablets can be used daily. For macrocytic anemia, vitamin B12 and folic acid injections are recommended. Last one, minerals. Minerals. Cirrhosis patients experience swelling in the body. Due to this, sodium, example salt, should be reduced. If there is a water retention, salt should be stopped completely. Diuretic drugs are given to reduce swelling. Other salt such as iron, calcium and phosphorus should be given in sufficient quantities. Prevention of liver cirrhosis. There are preventive care can be divided into mainly 3 steps. First one is healthy lifestyle adoption. It means you can take healthy diet and do regular exercise. Second step, regular health screening and limit alcohol. And third step is care optimization, means take regular medicines and vaccination for hepatitis B and hepatitis C. One day diet plan for cirrhosis patients. In this diet chart, in this menu, within a time, how much proportion of food we give to the patient of cirrhosis. At early morning 6 a.m. tea or coffee without milk or with skim milk, only 1 cup I provide. Then after breakfast time 8:30 a.m. 4 numbers खाखरा और dry खाखरा या roast खाखरा or toast or skim milk 1 cup and also 1 banana you can give cirrhosis patient At lunchtime, 1 bowl rice, 1 bowl loose moong dal, 1 bowl yogurt made from skim milk, and only 2 dry roti without ghee. At 6 at snacks time at 3 p.m. orange juice 1 glass we you can give to the cirrhosis patient, and also 3 numbers biscuit with glucose biscuit and 1 cup skim milk tea. At dinner time, moong dal khichdi only 1 bowl, then sabji, any carbohydrate sabji जैसे potato, tomato, vegetables, or yogurt made from skim milk 1 bowl, and also 2 roti without ghee we provide to the patient. And at dinner at night sleeping time, only 1 apple around 100 gram approx you can give to the cirrhosis patient. In two other liver disease like hepatic coma and hepatitis B, it is necessary to take medicines and diet as per the doctor's advice. Therefore, they are not discussed in detail. Thank you.